Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to turn off autocorrection on your iPhone. We'll also look at another setting called Predictive, which might be the better feature to disable. To find both options, open Settings. Inside of here, scroll down and then choose General. Next, tap Keyboard. Now inside of here, you'll find the keyboard settings. If you want to turn off autocorrection altogether, just tap the slider on the right to disable it. But an option to try first is to keep autocorrect turned on and then disable Predictive. This feature is probably what you're having an issue with. This will automatically change your text to a word that iOS thinks that you're trying to type. So, if your spelling is just a little off, but close enough to another word, it has a high chance that it'll pick the wrong word. We've all done it, and there are countless threads out there dedicated solely to hilarious autocorrects. And that's how you turn off predictive or autocorrection on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.